Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. This is the Paper Stash Smash Christmas edition. This month in July, we're going to be doing a Christmas in July, but what I'm going to be doing is I'm going through everything in my stash that is Christmas related, and I'm going to see what I can smash. So today's video is going to be showing you what I have, and then at the end of the month on the 25th, I'm going to show you what I made. I'll also be doing some project shares along the way to hopefully inspire you to use your stash. Anybody is invited to join. All you have to do is post on social media using the hashtag Christmas in July PSS for Paper Stash Smash. So there's no thumbnail, there's no requirements. It's all up to you if you want to smash 2 pieces of paper, or if you want to go and try to smash a lot of your Christmas paper, or if you have a goal that you wanted to make some Christmas cards and start in July, you can do that too. I don't have that much in my stash that is Christmas. I have 2 of these simple vintage Yuletide from Simple Stories. I have 2 of those in 6x8 paper pads. I had picked this up as well as this in a Simple Stories, I guess it was a Thanksgiving Black Friday sale. I think there was 15 pads for $25. I don't know what the price was, but I did pick that up on Black Friday. So this is really all I have is 2 of these and 1 of these. And then I have a couple of miscellaneous things. I have these little plastic candies. I do have some dies, some snowflake dies. I have a little bit of ephemera. I have no idea where that came from or what that matches with. And I also have some things that I can use to make shakers with. Some of these Christmas trees, I have had for a long time. They came from the dollar spot at Target probably 10 years ago. And I've been using it for a while, and this is what I have left. So I thought that I might use these to try to make some shaker elements that I might put in an ephemera box and just see what happens with that. I do, of course, want to make some mini albums with these paper pads, and I don't know how far that will get me for 2 of these paper pads and 1 of those, but it's worth a try. So pretty much I'm telling you this is what I'm hoping to smash in July, and stay tuned. Like I said, if I am able to smash this, I will be showing you videos. I may do tutorials, I may not, just depends on things go. So go ahead and smash your paper stash, use the hashtag, and follow along with everybody else. Every once in a while, if you're looking for inspiration, just go ahead and search with the hashtag and see if you find other people who are trying to smash their paper stash. Maybe they're using the same collection as you are, and it inspires you to smash your stash. That's what I have to show you today. Thanks so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.